Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off match alerts on Tinder. So I will move in my Tinder application on my mobile device, and now I will just go in the right bottom of my profile and just tap at the top right corner of gear icon. So after this I will scroll down and find the settings of notification alerts. So you may scroll down more after reaching the notification settings, a little bit more scroll down, and here you will see the push notifications. Just tap on push notifications, and from here you will just make sure that is off. Make sure these settings will be off. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.